Today I wanted to show you how we made a wasp trap. This ended up being successful, so I wanted to share it with you. All we did is we had a small water bottle and we cut it around the side and turned it upside down to make a funnel. And then we just put some tape around the edges, 2 small pieces of tape so it won't come off. On the bottom we filled it with sugar water, honey, a little piece of apple, and that was it. And then to kill them, just a drop of soap is all that's needed. And the wasps seem to die on the bottom with just a little bit of soap added to that solution. And I'll open it up and show you. There's quite a bit. I think it's hard to see through the bottle just how successful it was, but we had quite a bit of wasps in here. I haven't counted them, but looks like a couple dozen at least. And there we go. And this was just after a day, and you could see what was in there. Just a small piece of apple, sugar water. I added a little bit of honey, and then a drop of soap killed them, so they stopped buzzing around. Anyways, please like and subscribe. We're up to 120 subscribers, which is really exciting for us. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll respond. Thanks.
And now he's living the life of Riley.